other Filipinas. Hello! Ano pa? Mamimit kami siya ni ate sa kanto. Is Arceline, mag-say hi ka? He's Arceline's husband. Chicken? Mutton and chicken. There's another Filipina.
Nice meeting you. Just join in.
Bye! Dito na naman kami sa morning market. Mas maganda kasi sa umaga, hindi ganun ka-traffic. Tapos hindi din ganun ka-humid ang panahon. Dito kami bumibili ng mga prutas and some vegetables. So fresh na, Han? Yeah. No?
Finished?
Yeah.
No. Take 120.
I have ordered mushroom, chicken, and paneer. I'm going to cook today because I'll be meeting with the other Filipinas here in my neighborhood. Yesterday, I prepared bean sprouts because Abhi is trying to eat healthy. Let's prepare this salad. For that. Yung anak ko dito na nakatulog sa salas kasi nanonood kami kanina ng TV, nakatulog siya at nakaandar dito yung AC namin, AC nakaandar yung cooler dito, so siguro maganda sa pakiramdam niya yung lamig dito, so dito na siya nakatulog. Ako naman ngayon ang maghahanda ng aking pasta na dadalhin sa aming get together. Alas 2 pa lang naman and alas 4 pa yung aming usapan. I'll be using fresh tomatoes for my pasta sauce. Parang nasanay na din ako na fresh tomato yung gamitin sa pasta. Wala kasi akong makitang malaking tomato sauce or ketchup doon sa Smart Bazaar kanina. Merong Smart Bazaar dito pero maliit lang siya, guys. Tapos yung ketchup na tinitinda nila, ang liliit na pouch, kamatis na lang. And meron din naman akong pizza sauce. Ayaw din ni Abby sumama kasi puro mga girls. Yung isa lang na Pinay, yung andun yung kanyang asawa. So parang nahihiya sa kabila. Yung konti lang. So sabi niya, hindi na lang siya sasama. So kami na lang ni Ate Nina yung pupunta doon. Naglalakad lang kami kasi sobrang lapit lang talaga, guys. As in, siguro yung isa sa magandang nangyari nung umuwi kami dito sa Patna ay yung meron akong kapitbahay na sobrang lapit lang, as in kapitbahay talaga, literal na kapitbahay. Nalagay ko na dito lahat, guys, mushroom, paneer, carrots, yung aking garlic, dito ko siya sinama sa pag-blender ng aking tomato sauce. So, ito yung ating sauce, tapos meron din tayo ditong pasta and pizza sauce. 1 kilo ata ito ng kamatis. Hinihintay ko sa Ate Nina kasi pupunta siya dito sa bahay, maghahatid siya ng niluto niyang pizza. And then mamaya sabay kami paalis. Hello? Homemade pizza. Wow! Tapos yung dough, ikaw talaga yung gumagawa?
Pati pag, pag burger din.
We are now walking. Mag-meet kami siya ni ate sa kanto. Ano, sabay na kami maglalakad. May dala akong payong. Sabi ni ate, magdala ka ng payong, baka mainit. And ito na yung aming baon ni Mishka ng pasta. Let's go. May dala pa yan na shades. Yan si ate Nina. Ang lapit lang ng pupuntahan namin, guys. As in, hindi aabot ng 1 kilometro. Te, mag-hi ka din dito, te.
Hello!
Yan si ate Nina, yung aking kapitbahay. Bitbit namin ang aming mga kanya-kanyang anak. Eto si kuya. Yung nagpakilala sa akin na merong isang Pilipina dito. Ito si kuya.
Kilala friend.
Baya! Ah. Ngayon magkakilala na kami.
Yung driver namin.
Okay.
Lagis lang nagkukwento-kwentuhan dyan kami bumibili ng mga
Kaya pala. Masaya siya na magkasama tayo, te. Dito? Kakilala mo or dahil may discount talaga sila?
May discount talaga sila sa kakilala kami. Dito naman ito yung government na bisita nila.
Okay.
Mura.
Dito?
Saka ito, bago lang yan.
Asan? Ito?
Ito yung
I-close pa man.
yung bank ito. Bago lang.
Under construction pati? Soon to open. Tapos may wow momo na din nga dito. Yeah, Mugenis. Meron ng bake shop. And then meron na ding wow momo dito. And then meron ng KFC doon. Malapit lang din. Yeah. Close naman siya, te. Close na yung Domino's dito. Dito na kami guys sa bahay ni Sis Arceline. Sis Arceline, mag-say hi ka. Hello po. Yan yung kapitbahay ko din dito sa India. Ang dami nilang hinanda. Okay, good ask. Dami nilang handa na snack. And then ito kay ate naman yung pizza. Ate Nina.
Wait.
We have prepared. Ano to, sis?
There are so many things now. You just taking over.
Oh,
And
no! We have prepared so much. Sunduin natin si Daddy. Kasi pinapunta siya ng asawa ni Arceline. Yeah, inside. So near, no? He's smiling. Baby brother is smiling. Hi! Gusto niya. You smile, Eden, come. Who is that? Can you see who's that? He's happy. He's smiling. Anak to ni Sis Arceline. Ito naman anak ni Ate Nina. Ito, kaninong anak to? Who's your mommy? Who's your mommy? Me. Kuya, what is your name, Kuya?
Rakesh Ranjan.
He's Arceline's husband. They have prepared so much food for us. What is your meal? The meal that you have prepared?
We have chicken and mutton curry.
What's your name? Roma. R-O.
R-U-M-A.
Are you Roma? Okay. I thought Roma. There's a Roma also in Philippines.
You don't understand. We can show you what
Ang tangkad mo, what's your height? What's your height?
171 centimeters.
Ang tangkad niya, no?
Yeah,
She's tall. Yeah. Here. They have prepared main course. Actually, earlier was just a starter. So this is main course.
This is mutton. Okay.
Mutton curry.
And now there is the chicken.
Wow. Did you cook this or did...
My mommy, the doctor.
Okay. You help chop the onion or not?
Yes, sir.
Onion.
And I was trying
Okay.
to.
Because you need lots of onion, right?
50. I counted.
And then what else you have?
And there is a roti and rice. Any choice, anyone can eat it.
Thank you. You have prepared so much.
These are the mutton curry.
Yeah.
This is the chicken curry. Okay. And in this, there is a special item you will like. I hope girl.
Because for us, rice is life.
Yeah, 3 times. Right.
Yes. There's another Filipina, sis Joanna. Joanne. And her husband. Diba? Now, 4 of us here in Patna, and then others are, someday we will meet them.
Yeah, someday.
Yeah.
Complete na.
Yeah. Medyo dumadami na kami mga Pinay dito sa Patna. Selfie tayo.
Stop that.
First meeting, so
Yeah, it's a point. Like, you.
This is my plate, ang dami. Mutton and chicken. So we have prepared this salad. Yeah. Unlike here in India, you can ask piyaj or piyaj.
प्याज is complimentary
It's
here.
Yeah, complimentary. It's a very general.
Nice meeting you. जरूर join it.
Bye, Kuya. Thank you so much. Arceline, thank you so much.
You all have made my day.
You're the kids. Nice meeting you all. Thank you for your hospitality. Especially you, Ruma.
Bye, Didi.
Say bye.
Bye, baby.
Bye, Uncle.
Bye, Didi.
Bye, baby. Love, baby na.
Bye, baby.
Aww.
Bye, Uncle. Bye,
Bye.
Auntie. Bye, bye, baby.
Nagbabay.
Smile, smile.
Bye, Rian. Ready siya. Bye. Lalakad na kami ni ate. Si Mishka, pinauna ko na. Pero mas okay ngayon yung panahon, di ba, te? Hindi pa talaga.
Tingnan mo, maraming tao.
Oras na to nila ng pamamalengke. Yan si city car. Pa-cheese. Ang fresh. Lalo pa ng okra. Kanina nakabili din kami fresh na fresh. You love rings? And meaty also. Who gave you that? Kuya Climb.
Please like our channel, subscribe.